two tools, one mission, but one of them is quietly draining thousands of dollars from businesses that could be keeping it. This is a full, feature-by-feature breakdown of Hootsuite and Buffer, two of the biggest names in social media management. Every category gets tested: scheduling, analytics, AI tools, pricing, the inbox. Even the features each one pretends to have stay until the end, because the pricing comparison alone might completely change the tools sitting open in your browser right now, and the final verdict isn't what most people expect. Both Hootsuite and Buffer handle the core scheduling job well. Write a post, pick a time, hit schedule. Both offer a visual content calendar. Both let users bulk upload posts using a CSV file. Both even suggest the best times to post based on when an audience is most active. But the surface-level features are where the similarities end. Buffer supports 11 social platforms, including Pinterest, Mastodon, Bluesky, Threads, Google Business Profile, and TikTok. For a creator building an early presence on Bluesky or running a niche audience on Mastodon, that matters enormously. Hootsuite covers 7 major platforms. Pinterest, not supported. Mastodon, not available. Bluesky, nowhere to be found. There's another publishing gap worth paying attention to. When scheduling short-form video, TikToks, Instagram Reels, Hootsuite does not let users set a custom thumbnail or video cover image. That single limitation means every scheduled video goes out with whatever frame the algorithm picks. Buffer lets creators choose the exact frame shown to viewers before they press play. For video-first creators, that's the difference between a click and a scroll past. On scheduling alone, Buffer quietly outpunches Hootsuite because it covers more ground and leaves fewer gaps for content to fall through. But scheduling is just the entry point. The real question is what happens after the posts go live. Buffer's analytics are clean, readable, and genuinely useful for understanding basic performance. Post engagement, follower growth, reach, and impressions all presented in a clear, modern dashboard. For a solo creator or a small business just trying to figure out what's working, it gets the job done. But clean visuals can hide what's missing. Buffer provides no competitor benchmarking. There's no way to see how a brand's Instagram growth compares to a rival's. No industry comparison data. No paid ad performance tracking, meaning anyone running Facebook or Instagram ads alongside organic posts is flying completely blind inside Buffer's dashboard. Hootsuite flips that script entirely. Hootsuite's analytics track performance across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, YouTube, and TikTok in a single unified view. It allows benchmarking against up to 20 competitors at once, tracking their follower growth, engagement rates, and posting frequency. Paid and organic performance sit side by side in the same report. Team productivity metrics are available for enterprise users, monitoring who's responding fastest and which agents are closing the most conversations. There is one area where Buffer punches back hard: Shopify integration. Buffer connects directly to a Shopify store and shows which social posts and accounts drove actual sales. Revenue attribution tied directly to social content, something Hootsuite doesn't offer at any price tier. For analytics, the answer depends entirely on the question being asked. If the question is, did this post lead to a sale? Buffer wins. If the question is, how does this brand stack up against the entire industry? Hootsuite wins by a wide margin. Which brings up the feature that most tools quietly bury in their pricing page. The one that separates serious brands from everyone else. Next, Hootsuite built its social listening capability through a partnership with one of the most respected names in brand intelligence. Users can monitor specific keywords, competitor names, industry hat checks, and brand mentions across multiple platforms simultaneously. Buffer has no social listening feature, not in the free plan, not in the paid plans, not anywhere on the roadmap currently visible to the public. For any business where brand reputation is a daily operational concern, that gap isn't minor, it's disqualifying. The same gap extends to the unified inbox. Hootsuite's inbox pulls messages, comments, and mentions from all connected platforms into one view. Messages can be assigned to specific team members, tagged, and prioritized automatically. We Writer AI, Hootsuite's built-in writing assistant, can draft replies and help manage response volume at scale. Buffer's engagement features are more limited. The inbox covers Instagram and Facebook only, with no automatic message routing and no AI-assisted responses. But here's where Buffer reclaims ground in a genuinely surprising way. Buffer's AI writing assistant is available on every single plan, including the free one. No caps, no extra cost, unlimited caption generation, hashtag suggestions, post rewrites, and content ideation available from day one. Hootsuite's Writer AI is included on paid plans but comes with usage limits, and unlocking the full version requires a higher tier subscription. Hootsuite dominates in listening, inbox management, and enterprise-grade response work. Buffer quietly wins on AI accessibility and keeps that advantage, available even to users who haven't paid a single dollar yet. But none of this matters if the price makes the tool impossible to justify. Hootsuite and Buffer don't just charge differently, they operate on completely different pricing models. Hootsuite charges per user, The professional plan starts at $99 per month. Billed annually, that's $1,188 per year for a single user managing up to 10 social accounts. The team plan for up to 3 users runs $249 per month, or nearly $3,000 per year. There is no permanent free plan. After a 30-day trial, the bill starts immediately. Buffer charges per channel. The Essentials plan runs $5 per month per social channel. A creator managing 3 channels pays $15 per month, $180 per year. A small team managing 5 channels on the team plan pays roughly $600 per year, and Buffer's free plan is permanent. 3 channels, 10 scheduled posts each, forever, no credit card required, but the numbers side by side for a solo creator managing 5 channels. Hootsuite Professional, $1,188 per year. Buffer Essentials across 5 channels, $300 per year. Same scheduling, same calendar, same basic analytics. Nearly $900 difference every single year for a growing team of 5 people managing 10 channels. Hootsuite's cost can reach nearly $6,000 annually. Buffer's equivalent sits around $1,200. The integration gap does close some of that distance. Hootsuite's 150+ third-party integrations justify a premium for organizations that need that infrastructure. Buffer offers roughly 15 integrations for a multinational marketing team embedded inside a larger tech stack. Hootsuite's connectivity has real monetary value. The pricing gap between these 2 tools isn't a rounding error. It's a strategic decision about what kind of business is being run and who is running it. Here's the actual verdict. Buffer wins for almost everyone. Creators, freelancers, small teams, startups, e-commerce brands. Anyone managing fewer than 20 people and under 15 channels will almost never use the features that justify Hootsuite's price tag. The scheduling is just as solid. The AI assistant is more accessible. The platform support is broader. The interface is cleaner. And the annual savings can fund an entire additional hire. Hootsuite wins in a specific lane. Mid to large organizations where social listening, paid ad tracking, deep inbox management, and competitive benchmarking are daily operational requirements, not occasional nice. If a brand has a reputation management team, a social customer service function, and a multi-person approval chain, Hootsuite's infrastructure pays for itself. But for everyone else, the most expensive social media tool in the room isn't always the most powerful one for the job being done. It's just the loudest start. If this breakdown saved some time or some serious money, drop a like on the video. Subscribe if unbiased. No fluff tool comparisons are useful. And if there's a specific tool comparison that would help right now, drop it in the comments.